is our Caterpillar 3406E in-frame overhaul kit unboxing from AFA Industries. Like every overhaul kit, you got your quality inspection card in there, liner protrusion worksheet, gives you all the specs for your liner protrusion, connecting rod bearing bolts, main bearing bolts, head bolt specifications, all in here. Liner protrusion specs in there. Break-in procedure in Spanish and English. Breaking in these engines is very important, so we always put those break-in procedures in there. We don't want excessive oil consumption or blow-by. We'll show you our head gasket set here real quickly. It's a universal AFA IFG 3406E in-frame overhaul gasket set. So it's got everything you need to do an in-frame gasket job. From your head up, your oil pan gasket, suction tube, inlet and outlet O-rings for your oil pump. And not to mention, guys, we offer oil pumps, water pumps, oil coolers, everything you need for these engines, vibration dampeners. Yeah, we got all that. But here's our gasket set. Look at this. You're going to get an intact headset, everything within spec, everything securely packaged. All your O-rings have part numbers on them, easy identification. We even put valve stem seals in our kits. Everything you need in one in-frame gasket set box here. Over here, you got your rod bearings. Let's get them all out. The suction tube O-rings I was telling you about right there. Rod bearings, let's get those out of the way. Then you got your main bearings and thrust washers, all in this excellently packaged side box. Doesn't get much better than that. A quick unboxing of the cylinder kit to show you what the cylinder kit looks like on our 3406E in-frame kit. As you can see here, we got this to protect the piston. We got the premium quality two-piece piston, premium quality aluminum skirt. These are reinforced, strong skirts. They won't crack, they won't break. Excellent quality reinforced aluminum steel skirts. And then you got your steel piston crown. Look at that. Premium machining. Everything's made to spec, and it's the highest quality forged steel crown in the market today. Liner, our infamous one-of-a-kind in the industry liner for your Cat 3406 C15 applications. Induction hardened, see that? Gold tint to it. You see our logo right on it. And not only that, we also roll burnish harden the radius fillet under the flange for extra reinforcement and support. 200,000 pounds of force and this thing won't break. There's not another liner like this in the industry. Pull out the side box and keep showing you what we got here. Piston pin retainers, liner seal O-rings. All the O-rings are marked with the part number and what they're sealing. Are they sealing coolant? Are they sealing oil? Easy instructions to know where to put these things. A lot of times people don't know where to put them, where they go on the liner in the liner seal grooves. We make it simple for you. And then we got our premium quality ring set, all the highest quality components always from AFA. These rings are built to last, built to seal that cylinder, give you the tangential force that you must have to seal combustion and have premium quality oil control and seal that cylinder like you expect it to be. And then we also have the piston pin over here on the side, securely packaged on the side of the box so it doesn't damage anything. Everybody knows these piston pins are heavy, rock solid. They got a premium finish to them. Look at that shiny piston pin. Got our marking right on there, made to our specifications. That's our 3406, one of our 3406C in-frame overhaul kits. If you'd like to learn more, go to our website, go to the Contact Us form, fill it out, submit it, or just send us a message and we'll point you in the right direction.